Motor Fuel Group are the largest independent fuel operator in the United Kingdom, and in 2020 we started to introduce our EV dual fuel strategy, which is our EV chargers. Today we're at Thirsk. It's our latest NTI, new to industry site. It demonstrates our dual fuel strategy in terms of the fossil fuel and also the EV chargers to our left hand side. It houses the Gregs, and it also houses a valeting centre. The dual fuel strategy is really important to MFG. It demonstrates our commitment to EV charging moving forward, while also maintaining the fossil fuel.
We took part in a competitive tender and were successful in winning this project for our customer Motor Fuel Group. We've done everything here from the initial design and pre-construction right up through to the installation and testing commissioning.
Adler & Allen have been a long-standing trusted partner of MFG's for a number of years, and Adler & Allen were involved from the get-go really in terms of developing our initial electrical strategy.
Here at MFG Thirsk, the site consists of a large LV distribution panel which we designed and installed. We've got a domestic forecourt to the front of the PFS retail building and a HGV forecourt to the rear. We've got a large modern PFS retail offering which incorporates the Gregs. We carried out the electrical installation to absolutely everything on this site, including 850 kilowatt ultra rapid EV chargers. Adler & Allen is very well suited to delivering this kind of project due to our nationwide coverage. We've got a very high number of electricians and very skilled people that specialise in both hazardous areas and also the modern EV solution that we now provide to our customers. At Adler & Allen, we've got a very large, highly skilled team of experts that are on hand to help our customers transition through to EV charging.
We would thoroughly recommend Adler & Allen to other site operators due to the professionalism and the technical experts they bring along with them.